an overview of all designs. Please select the number of your favorite design and let us know at the end of the video. Design number 1. Design number 2. Design number 3. Design number 4. Design number 5. Design number 6. Design number 7. Design number 8. Design number 9. Design number 10. Design number 11. Thank you for watching. Now, let others know your favorite mehndi design and comment with your favorite number. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for the weekly design updates. Let us learn what type of designs you require in the next video.